Today is this exhaust fan that's squeaking something awful, and so we're gonna go in here and take a look at it and see what we can do. First of all, you just pull this plate down and then you squeeze these springs together. See the pressure fit in there like so, and then we'll get that off and see what the next step is. Okay. I've done this for 72 years now. I've not seen one like this, but I think basically we need to remove a screw here on one there, and I'm hoping that this motor assembly will come out of there, and we can take a look at that fan. Well, as you can see, we've got that pulled down there. One thing that was interesting, it doesn't look like these wires could unhook there. Normally they got a little plug you can take off of there, but it seems like that's stuck on there. So I tried to sweep it with the vacuum, get some of that dust off there, but I think I'll hit that up with some WD-40 in there around the motor and call that good and see if that works. We'll go ahead and hit the switch and see if she's any better. Find the debris coming down. So far so good. We'll let her run for a while and make sure that WD-40 don't catch a fire. It's flammable, but don't want to reach your fingers up in there. This is definitely, an older model. I don't think they leave them all exposed like that. But pretty good, right? Oh, here's something. Well, time will tell.